Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm so excited you guys came for another video. Today's video is going to be one that saved me a lot of money, and that is how to wash these beauty blenders or beauty sponges. Okay, I'm going to be taking my Irish Spring soap. It is good, it's cheap, and it works. I also like using Dove, but today I just had Irish Spring, so that's what I used. I'm going to be throwing my sponges into the sink, letting them absorb a lot of water and get big. That way it's a lot easier on me to wash all the makeup off. Please don't judge my old ass sponge you see there. I've had it for a while, and yes, it is time to let it go. So now that my sponges are big, I'm taking the soap. I put a little bit of water on the soap so that way it's easier. I went ahead and I just started doing circular motions and back and forth motions as well, just to get all that nasty makeup off. I do it about 3 to 4 times, and then I go ahead and squeeze it out and rinse it. And you're just gonna repeat that process with all your sponges. And I'm repeating the step with these small beauty blenders. I sometimes use them to blend out my concealer, but my favorite thing to use them for is to bake my nose. Alright, last step is to take a towel and squeeze the rest of the water out. That way they can dry a lot quicker. I don't know what I was gonna say. And that's how I clean my beauty sponges. I hope you guys found this video very helpful and you try it out. Let me know if you would like to see more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one.